Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Wii games on Nintendo Switch. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'm going to explain whether you can play Wii games on the Nintendo Switch. The simple answer is that you can't directly play original Wii games on the Switch, but some Wii titles have been re-released or adapted for the platform. If you go to the Nintendo website or search online for Wii games on Switch, you'll find lists of games that were originally released on the Wii and later brought over to the Switch. Many of these games are not free and need to be purchased, but there are quite a few available. For example, some titles that originally launched years ago on the Wii have been updated and re-released for the Switch, sometimes with improved graphics or features. These lists are often updated to include new releases, showing which older Wii games have made their way onto the Switch over time. If you find a specific game from one of these lists, you can search for it on the Nintendo eShop or official website. If it has been re-released, you'll be able to view it there and purchase it just like any other Switch game. So while you can't play Wii discs or original versions directly, you can still enjoy many Wii games on the Switch if they've been officially ported or remade for the platform. And that's it. So that's basically how you can play Wii games on Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.